Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. This is a huge Phoenix reclinata palm tree. It's also called a Senegal Date Palm. This tree would have come from the Senegal island off the coast of Africa from pirates. That's how some of the species of palm trees ended up in Florida. So that's about all the history I'm going to give you on this. We are about to clean this tree up. It will probably take us several hours to do so. We're going to trim all the brown fronds off of it and then a good portion of the green fronds also. This tree currently has 9 trunks, all reclinatas or multi-trunk. We're going to remove 1 or 2 of the trunks just to condense it down into a more manageable size. And then tomorrow we are going to actually transplant it to another location about 15 minutes from here. So I hope you enjoy this. You're watching the Tree Planters do an operation that only a few people in the world can do. This is a very intricate and highly skilled type of work, and we're going to show you what it looks like before, during, and after. So I hope you like it. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com.